Hi everyone. So today I'll show you how to create a admin user and how to use that admin user in a real-time activity. Let's start how to do that one. First of all, those who are watching this video newly, a humble suggestion, kindly go through. Let me scroll down. So here how to install this video, I want to use one new product. This is the same WSO2 product only, that is called WSO2 API Manager. Okay. So this API Manager basically we have 4 portal. One for just for your overview and high level, I'm just explain you. So this is one DevPortal is there. So second one it's there publisher portal. Okay, and third one it's giving one features that is called carbon portal. This is for management console. And fourth one it's giving one admin portal. So this developer portal basically we are using for exposing our API, and publisher portal basically we are using for publishing our API. Carbon portal basically it's like a management console, like any add user, add role or anything like this will manage by Carbon user. And apart from this also it have multiple features. Service provider is there, secondary user configuration also there, and also resident also there. Multiple things, like it's like full management things managed for this product in the WSO2 API Manager product. And this admin user, right? So this admin user we'll use for handling the multiple there's some scope field is there, key manager configuration also there, that is managed by admin user. We'll learn in upcoming videos. So those who are watching this video newly, kindly go through my channel. So if you scroll down, how to install this product and how to change this callback URL and port, and if you want to know, just little bit scroll up, right? So the features about carbon portal. So there is one more demo also I added here, how to use the what is the features of DevPortal and publisher portal, and how to expose a SQL REST API in WSO2 DevPortal. Already this part of video is already there. So kindly go through that, so you will know how this product is working and what all features is providing by this product. So let's explore that one. So this video, so we need to use create one new admin user. So first of all you need to log in our management console. So the management console basically is ending with carbon. So if you see this URL, right, let me write down here. So this URL this is my new port here. So how you can modify your own port, if you go through this video, if you scroll down, right, there is one part of this video already there. So here WSO2 API Manager callback URL and port, how you can customize your own port and own URL. Kindly complete that one. So now if you let me log in this one. So if you see here, already I log in this portal, right? So this portal we need to go to this user and roles. Okay, so now I'll show you how you can create a new admin user. So first of all, let's go through add here. So here it will ask you add users and roles. Okay, so there is two option is there, add new user, add new role. Just click this add new user. So here if you select this one, that is by default one role already there, primary. So if you want other internal user or user secondary user, so there is one user stories there. We will learn in upcoming videos how you can use that one. So this domain, right, so this domain I'm just adding that user, so which I written already. So this is for one sample example. You can use any user. This is I added one username and the password I written already. So let me just make example this is one capital letter and other small letter, and this is one special character and this is one digit. So I combined all the password here, so I just write it in here. So this password, let me add it both places, click next. So just for your example, while you are creating any admin user, there is one by default role is there, that is called admin. Okay, so if you use this admin user, so this admin role, if you select this one and finish it, right, so it will call every aspect, it doesn't have any restriction of this user. So this user we can use in any portal access. That means any means here you can able to access DevPortal, you can able to access publisher portal, you can able to access carbon portal, and even you can access the admin portal as well. So let me click OK. So the previous one, like if you see here, the previous user is like this one, admin user. If you go through view roles, right, so you can see like by default it's giving all the roles. So internal subscriber, internal creator, internal publisher, internal every, so you are giving like all the users. So as of now, like for this new user, if you go through view roles, right, I'm adding only one role, admin. So let's like use this one to verify the DevPortal is working or not. So let me go through DevPortal, click add here, let me log out here. So now we'll use this admin user to verify this DevPortal is working or not. So click sign in here. So let me add that user. This is my new user, right? So admin has 1 2 3. Okay, let me visible this one. Okay, this is correct only. Click continue. So now you can see, right, so I can able to access DevPortal. Okay, so now you can see here, right, so DevPortal is working. So let's verify other portal is working or not. Let me copy this one. So here I'm adding publisher. So let me hit enter. So now you can see like by default, if you already logged in with DevPortal, so it will take the user. So just for verification, let me log out this one and let me use the same user. So let me go through our requirement analysis page. Let me copy this one. So here let me add that user password here, admin as 1 2 3, continue here. So now you can see like the using the new admin user I can able to access. So let me copy this one and try Carbon. Okay, so it's already logged in the previous tab, right? So let me sign out here. So let me copy this user from this chat again. So let me go through portal username again. So let me add password. So now you can see I can able to access this admins this like they are able to access this Carbon portal also. So if you want to verify, go through list again and users, right? So now you can see all the user also. Okay, so this is like how the user is working for Carbon portal. So if you want to verify like admin portal is working or not, let me copy this base URL. So here let me modify this endpoint. So it is redirecting to admin service auth login page, right? So now it's auto redirected to the login page. So for verification, if you want to see is it working or not, simply let me click log out here. So here like I'm adding that particular new user to verify to make sure like admin user is working or not. So let me add the password here. This is for admin user. Okay, click continue. So now you can see I can able to access this admin portal also. So hope like those who are watching this video, they easily understand like how they can able to use new admin user. So those who are watching this video newly, kindly go through my channel So Beyond Doubt and like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will motivate me to make videos. Thank you so much.